Hey guys, this is Racer Kid, David, Detail Eldar. Um, I was just thinking about starting like a daily video log, like every day, or every couple days if I don't keep up on it. As you can see by my hair, I just ran home from the bus stop in the rain. It's like freaking pouring, like, I don't even know what, but it's really bad. So yeah, I'll go show you the rain and stuff, cause it's ridiculous. So if you want me to do daily vlogs, video logs, or not, comment in the comments section. Alright, now let's go look at the rain. Oh, I'm so wet right now, you don't even know. Oh. Alright, so here's what the rain looks like outside. It's pretty intense. You can't really tell by the video camera. It doesn't show up, but pretty hardcore rain. Watch this. Watch how wet it'll get. Ah. Oh, jeez. Just got the computer soaking. Yeah. Let's go look from the front deck. Oh, jeez, I gotta shut the... See my dog's water bowl down there? It's actually rain was coming in and making little ripples in his water. Pretty hardcore parkour rain. Pretty hardcore parkour. Oh, where's my dog? Doggy! Jimmy! Buddy! There he is. He's all scared of the rain. Hi, bud. Hi, say hi to the people on YouTube. Yeah. Alright, dog, you stay here. Alright, you stay there. Oh, jeez, this is ridiculous. Redonkulous. Alright, so can you guys, like, see that rain? Like, holy shiz. It is just downpouring, and it is completely ridiculous. I don't know if you can see those little water droplets or not.